The J.M. Smucker Company has issued a dire warning. Check your ding-dongs, or you might regret it. The company, which owns snack brand Hostess, sent a withdrawal notice to retailers last week, alerting them to a potential for mold in select lots of Hostess ding-dongs sold in the U.S. The company said it's working with regulatory officials to make them aware of the issue and to ensure appropriate oversight. J.M. Smucker said its root cause investigation confirmed that a mechanical issue with a piece of equipment is to blame for creating conditions that could support the development of mold in the product prior to the expiration date. The company said the mechanical issue was addressed in a timely manner and the affected products are already close to their expiration dates. Nevertheless, it's choosing to be cautious and pull the potentially moldy ding-dongs off the shelves. It's unclear what specific mechanical issue caused the problem, but the company insisted no other items it manufactures were impacted. The recalled products include 2, 10, and 16 count packages of ding-dongs with expiration dates ranging from August 30th to September 3rd, 2025. It's a relatively small recall compared to other actions J.M. Smucker has taken in recent years, including a large recall in 2024 for Walmart-branded baked goods that possibly contain pieces of plastic. J.M. Smucker acquired Hostess in 2023 in a deal valued at $5.6 billion. In addition to buying a brand portfolio that includes Twinkies, Ho-Hos, Zingers, and the aforementioned ding-dongs, Smucker took over manufacturing facilities in Kansas, Ontario, Illinois, Georgia, Indiana, and Arkansas, along with a distribution facility in Kansas. Additionally, approximately 3,000 employees joined J.M. Smucker as part of the deal. I'm Ben Munson, and this is Manufacturing Now.